Welcome to this SeamlessIO how-to video. Be sure to watch the whole video before trying the steps yourself. Remember, you can pause the video and rewatch sections that move too fast. If you have questions or feedback, write a comment and leave a like and subscribe if the video helped you out. In this video, we'll add a spell checker language to Firefox. A spell checker is an add-on. An add-on is a program or tool you can add to your Firefox. Firefox has thousands of add-ons to customize Firefox to fit your needs. The first step is to open Firefox. Once we've opened it, we need to go to a page where we can write some text. So let's type write-box.appspot.com in the address bar for a page where we can write our text. I'm writing it in 4 different languages to show that the spell checker works on one language at a time. To enter the options menu, we right-click next to our text, and here we have to make sure that check spelling is checked. With check spelling with a check mark, a language item appears where we can see the languages of the spell checkers I have installed. In this case, English and Danish. To add an item, I click on Add Dictionaries. On this page, there are 3 columns: locale name, language packs, and dictionaries. Locale name is the name of the language. Language packs is the language Firefox menu items are shown in, and dictionaries is what we want, which is the spell checker dictionary. We find the language you want to install, in my case Polish, and we click on the 3rd column, the dictionaries column. This will add Polish to the spell checker. We click on Add to Firefox, then add the add-on, and finally, OK, got it. Now I can close the add-ons tab to go back to our text. So here we can see that the Polish is spelled incorrectly because the spell checker is running in Danish. I go to Languages and select Polish. There's still a spelling mistake, so I right-click on the word and change it to the correct Polish spelling. Let's quickly add another language just to see how easily it can be done. I want to add Spanish. It's important to make sure you add the language from the country you want. For example, there's Venezuelan Spanish and Spanish in Spain. I select the dictionary for Spanish in Spain, add the add-on, say OK, got it, and go back to my text. I can now right-click and set my language to Spanish. And I can see the Spanish is correct, but my name is not in the dictionary. So I can right-click on my name and add to dictionary. And as you can see, the other languages are now marked as spelled incorrectly because they're not Spanish words. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out install another language to your Firefox spell checker. Have a good one.